morning ka-friendship. Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng pineapple fried rice. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Ka-friendship, here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong pipino at saka spring onion para pang garnish natin later. Meron tayo ditong 4 cups na tirang kanin. Meron tayong 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion, 2 pieces bell pepper, meron tayong red, saka meron tayong green, meron tayo ditong 2 calamansi, isang pirasong carrot, fried garlic, meron tayo ditong scrambled egg, 2 pieces yan, meron tayong frozen na green peas, and meron tayo ditong pinya, gagamit tayo ng star margarine, meron tayo ditong beef loaf, and of course, gagamit tayo ng cooking oil, salt, and pepper. Okay ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. Ang una natin gagawin ay gagawa tayo ng pineapple ball. Okay, so hiwain natin ang ating pinya sa kalahati. Huwag tanggalin ang kanyang crown. Yan, iset aside na lang muna natin ka-friendship ang kabilang side. So, ayan, kunin natin yung kanyang meat. So, ayan. This is the most challenging part, ka-friendship, sa paggawa ng pineapple fried rice. Ang paggawa ng kanyang bowl. Ayan. So, huwag natin gamitin itong matigas na part, ka-friendship, itong sa gitna. So, ayan. And then, iset aside nilang muna natin ang kanyang meat dahil kailangan natin to later. Hindi natin yan isasali, ka-friendship, dahil yan ang matigas na part. Ito na po yung ating pineapple ball at saka yung ito yung meat na nakuha natin dito. So set aside na lang muna natin sila. Gagawa na tayo ng ating fried rice. Okay, what we're going to do next, ka-friendship, sa isang preheated na pan, maglalagay tayo ng cooking oil. So ayan. And then idagdag at igisa natin yung ating garlic. ating onion. And after that, ang ating meatloaf. So, ayan, hiniwa ko na siya sa maliliit na cube. Ayan, igisa lang natin siya na at least 2 minutes. Kung friends siya, pwede na natin idagdag ang ating carrot. Dagdag na rin natin ang ating green peas. Kaya pwede na natin idagdag ang ating leftover rice. Mix lang natin very well. Pwede na tayong magdagdag ng soap. Saka pepper. Give a good mix. And then, lagyan natin ng star margarine. Mga isang kutsara lang patensya. At this point, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating scrambled egg, ang ating bell pepper, saka ang ating pinya. Lagyan natin ng fried garlic. So, ayan sa French chef. Malapit na siyang maluto. So, what we're going to do next is mag-squeeze tayo ng dalawang calamansi to enhance the flavor of our pineapple fried rice. So, ayan, luto na siya ka-French chef, di ba? Napakadali lang. Ready for serving na siya. Ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating pineapple fried rice. So, ayan na siya ka-French chef. I-garnish lang natin siya ng spring onion. So, ayan. Kahit wala na kayong ulam ka-French chef, okay na yan. Solved na yung breakfast. So, ayan na siya ka-French chef. Okay ka friend chef, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating pineapple fried rice for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Satomira at your service. Always remember, do everything with a good heart and expect nothing in return, and you will never be disappointed. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.